Hey soulmates, what's good? We're getting ready to check out a rare Korean seafood dish. It is called Myeolchi Sambap and it's supposed to be super delicious. I can't wait, so let's go check it out. Alright, so we've just come to this place located in Cheongnam-dong in central Seoul. They are famous for serving up myeolchi, which translates to anchovy. So what is really cool about this place is that they are serving this. So this is called Myeolchi Sambap, which is basically an anchovy, like a lettuce wrap. And normally you have to go down to the southern part of Korea to eat this in a city called Namhae. But this place is actually in Seoul, so it's kind of a special place. So go ahead and order that up. So for one person, it's 10,000 won. And then we've also ordered up this, so it's Myeolchi Twigum. So it's basically like a deep fried anchovies. So I'm super excited to try this out. It's my first time to ever try it. All right, so the food has just arrived and it smells absolutely amazing. So can't wait to try this. So we've got a few different things here. So we have some side dishes on the table. So this looks like it is some dried anchovies. And then we got this, which I assume is seaweed. And this, which is probably maybe some spinach. I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, maybe like pickled spinach. Quite nice, a little tangy. And then down here, we have that Myeolchi Twigum, so it is the fried anchovy, so it's kind of like in this nice crunchy batter. And it comes with this sauce, it's wasabi and soy sauce, so give it a little bit of spice. So let's go ahead and try one of these out. Let's go ahead and take it for a little swim in here. Let's try this out. Yum, oh my God, so good. Yum. And batter is seasoned so well. With that wasabi and soy sauce, it's so good. Yum. This batter is so crispy, so flaky, so nice. And then the wasabi just adds a little bit of spice to it. It's really good. All right, so next up we're going to try the Myeolchi Sambap. So I have never tried this before, so I'm super excited. So it comes with this lettuce plate here. So we've got lettuce and perilla leaf and garlic and some samjang, which is some fermented soybean paste. And then down here, this is the main star of the show. So down here we have the anchovies that have been boiled and braised in this red sauce. So if you take a look, you can see the actual anchovies. They've been cut in half here, and it's topped with this green onion. So I have never tried this before, but I think it's going to be so good. I think it's going to be a little bit spicy, and I can't wait to break into it. So I cannot wait. So the trick to eating this is to eat it all in one bite. So I'm just gonna wrap it up into like a little envelope here and just go for it at once. Here we go. Wow. That is excellent. So the fish tastes just super fresh. And it's really soft because it's been boiling. It's been braised in this sauce. It just really falls apart. It melts in your mouth. That sauce itself is a little bit spicy, and along with the garlic, just gives it so much flavor. Wow, it's really, really good. I think next up I want to try it with the perilla leaf. So if you don't know, perilla leaf is very, it's got a very strong and very unique flavor with this garlic, another one of those myeolchis here, and then some of that sauce and green onions. So get all those goodies in there. Oh, here we go. Here's another Myeolchi Sambap. All right, so again, just gonna fold it up and eat this all in one bite. Oh, wow. And the perilla leaf goes so well. With it, it just kind of balances everything out. It gives it another layer of flavor.